Exercising is essential for your bone health. But did you know not all exercise programs effectively reverse osteoporosis? A recent study provides the key insights you need. Researchers analyzed 17 studies focused on postmenopausal women with low bone density. Their goal? To find the ideal resistance training prescription. The findings were specific and promising. Resistance training significantly increases bone mineral density, particularly at 3 critical sites: the lumbar spine, femoral neck, and total hip. The biggest gains were seen when women followed a simple yet effective formula. To reverse osteoporosis, exercise at high intensity, at least 70% of your 1 representative max. Train 3 times per week and commit to it for at least 48 weeks. Each session should last 40 minutes or more. These guidelines are backed by extensive research involving hundreds of participants across multiple countries. While lower-intensity programs provide some benefits, they don't compare to the significant improvements from high-intensity training. This just confirms what I've seen in my years of experience. You can build stronger bones at any age with the right diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. For over 25 years, I've guided women in reversing osteoporosis naturally. We combine movement with key nutritional strategies and powerful daily tweaks that yield results, even when medications fall short. Want to see how? You can learn the exact steps thousands of viewers have followed to rebuild bone and feel stronger fast. Check out the description below for more details.